Hey guys, what's going on? It's Anthony here with Ant's Drone, and in today's video, I've got the DJI Mavic Mini 2. Before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that helps you grow your channel using tags, titles, thumbnails. It's an amazing tool and it's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So definitely check out my link in the description below. And by clicking on it, you'll learn more information and even get a free trial. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment in the comment section below, but let's get into the actual topic of the video. And in today's video, I've got the DJI Mavic Mini 2, which is actually called the DJI Mini 2, as you can see on the front of the box. This is the regular version of the drone, so this isn't the Fly More kit. This, I believe, comes with the remote controller, the drone, and one battery. This isn't gonna be like my main drone. I actually have a DJI Mavic 2 Pro that I'm still gonna use for all my professional work and probably the majority of the drone videos and photos that I take. But this new drone actually has a lot of new features, and for its size and the fact that it has OcuSync 2.0, it has 4K video, it's gonna be an awesome drone and could potentially be a tool that I use for professional work, especially when shooting inside of real estate listings. So I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting much longer. We're gonna open up this box and get into it and see what we get. Now, I really want to fly today. I'm kind of hoping that I'll be able to, but right now the wind speed is like really high. Let's ask Siri what the wind speed is. What is the wind speed?
Wind speed is currently 21 miles per hour.
21 miles per hour. So I'm not gonna be flying a drone in 21 mile per hour wind speeds. So let's see what happens. If worst comes to worst, this will just be a unboxing video. And before we get into it, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos, especially on this new drone. And also, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it'll help it rank higher in the algorithm. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so here it is. Here is the front of the box. Now this right here is what the drone is gonna look like if you don't get the Fly More kit. It comes in this very tiny square box, and it's actually smaller than I thought it would be. All the unboxing videos I've seen have been the Fly More kit, so this will be an interesting video for you guys that just want to purchase the drone on its own. So on the side of the box here, you can see that it has OcuSync 2.0. It has a 31-minute flight time. It comes with the remote controller. It shoots 4K video. So you get all this information on the side here. On the back here, it just shows some other, information in different languages. It also has iMovie and Final Cut Pro labeling on it, showing that it works with those softwares. And I've got a kitchen knife right here, so I'm gonna just slice into the box. So here we have it. I think it opens up from the top here, maybe, or no? Oh, okay guys, right here it says open on the bottom. So I'm gonna do another cut right here. I'm gonna just flip this up, and here is the drone. There it is, just like an iPhone unboxing almost. Right when you open the box, the drone is right on the top there. So there is the Mini 2. We're gonna pull it out. Here it is. You can see Mini 2 labeling on the side. You can see the 4K on the camera. So that's really cool. And then I'm gonna lift this center part out. And right here it looks like instruction manual. So we get the propellers. You get two propellers right here that you have to screw in. You got the joysticks for the remote control. We also have some cords right here for the remote control. Here's a screwdriver in this bag so that you can screw on the propellers, and a USB-C cable. If we lift this out right here, there is the DJI controller, and this is the same controller that comes with the Mavic Air 2. For those of you that fly the Air 2, this is nothing, new to you. This is new to me though. I don't think I've ever even held on to one of these before, so this is cool. It's a different design than what I'm used to with the Mavic 2 Pro. On the bottom here, you have two joysticks. You also have a USB-C. I'm guessing that's for charging. But yeah, it's a really nice control. I like the size of it. I actually wasn't too sure about how I'd like this because I really like the Mavic 2 controller and how that's designed, but this doesn't seem bad to have a little bit of a bigger controller for your drone. So here it is. This is what you get with your Mavic Mini 2. What I'm gonna do is oh, it looks like the propellers are already screwed on, so I was wrong. I guess it just comes with extra propellers that you can screw on if needed, so that was nice that they included that. So this pretty much looks like I can get this thing going and get it up in the air. But I just wanted to show you guys what you get when you unbox the Mavic Mini 2. Okay guys, so I adjusted the camera a little bit and fixed my microphone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up this remote right here by just screwing these in. Okay, so I just screwed those in real quick. I wanted to get those into place. But so now we're gonna take this drone and get all these stickers off of it and really get a good look at it. Okay guys, so I just took all those stickers and labeling off, and I'm just gonna unfold the drone so that we can see what this looks like. Okay guys, so here it is. It looks just like the regular Mavic Mini, almost to the T. If I take out the regular Mavic Mini, which I do have next to me right here. So as you can see there, they are right there next to each other. They look pretty much identical. The only difference that I can see is the labeling that says Mavic Mini 2. Actually, it only says Mini 2. And I also see the propellers have this orange color added to the tips to kind of show a difference. You also do see the 4K around the camera on the Mavic Mini 2 over here. So it is very interesting. They kept the same design almost to the T. So really the upgrades that we're gonna be seeing here are gonna be internal. I'm gonna pull the Mavic Mini away here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to set up the app on my iPhone here and get that going, get the controller going. Okay guys, so I set up my phone on the new controller, and I know for you Mavic Air 2 guys out there, this probably isn't going to be of any significance to you, but this is my first experience with the new DJI controller, and I gotta say I actually really like it. Like, my first impressions are way different than I thought. I really like how the phone is on the top, like how it was with the original Phantom controllers, and then with the Mavics it like transitioned to the bottom, and now it's back up at the top. You get a little bit of a bulkier controller. I actually really like how this is designed, and it actually looks really nice to me. I was wrong. I guess this is a cool design. Now I do like how the Mavic 2's controller is a little bit smaller. That makes it a little bit more portable, but this still works. Like, it's not like crazy big to the point where it's a deal breaker for anything. It's a good size controller, and I'm excited to use it. So I'm going to power on the drone here for the very first time, and I'm also going to power on the remote. I should probably do that first. So as you can see, it comes about 75% of the way charged. If I turn on the drone right here, oh, maybe I did something wrong because it won't turn on. It could be dead. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if the battery was dead. I might have to charge the drone anyway before I fly it. Damn, I really thought I was gonna just start flying it. Oh yeah, by the way, while we're looking at the new battery, here it is. Let me fix the focus here. So here is the new battery. As you guys can see, it is designed a little bit differently from the original Mavic 2, or I'm sorry, Mavic Mini, which I'll pull that battery out right now to compare. So guys, here are the two batteries. The black one is the original Mavic Mini. This gray one is for the Mavic Mini 2. So for any of you guys that were wondering, will this battery work in your Mavic Mini 2? I would say no. These kind of look like they have a little bit of a different design, especially at the top. If you look at them from the top, they're definitely different. So I would say no, and you know, they do this on purpose so that you'll spend more money. I kind of think that that's dumb. I don't know why they couldn't have just kept the same design so that people with the original Mavic Mini could just use their batteries in the Mavic Mini 2. I don't know, DJI, that's kind of dumb. I mean, that is what it is. You know, companies got to make their money and they're gonna do it. So that's the difference with the batteries. So guys, I have no idea how to charge this. I'm going to figure out how to charge it and see if that's the problem. If it is, then I will be right back. If it isn't, I'll be right back. So I'll let you guys know what it is. Yeah guys, so I just had to plug in the Mavic Mini 2. I think that it does need a charge, and it's probably just smart to fully charge it up before I fly it. So unfortunately, that means in this first video on the Mini 2, I won't be flying it, but in the next one, you can definitely count on some footage of me flying it. I'm very excited to get this thing up in the air and try out the new controller here. I think that this is gonna be really fun to use. And I'm really excited to see what this drone can do with OcuSync 2.0, 4K video. It's just gonna be really awesome to see what this thing is capable of, and also do some indoor flying with it, of course. I did a video on indoor flying with the Mavic Mini that I have right here, and you guys seem to like it, so I'll definitely do one with the Mavic Mini 2. But yeah guys, that's all I can really cover right now without being able to put it up in the air. And unfortunately, it is really cloudy and very windy looking outside right now. So even if the drone was fully charged, I probably shouldn't fly it. It keeps calming down, making me think it's gonna stop being windy, and then right after it just speeds right back up. I don't know, probably not the best day to fly. But yeah guys, that is all for this video. Definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you're updated when I create new videos. Also make sure to hit the thumbs up button so that this video ranks higher in the algorithm, and definitely expect the next video to be coming tomorrow. I know I took a little bit of a break. I've been very busy with work, and I had a couple of big projects that I really needed to focus on, but now for the next few days I'll be able to make some content of the Mavic Mini 2. Tomorrow I'm going up toward Sedona to do some footage for a real estate client, so I may actually stop in Sedona while I'm up there and get some test shots with the Mavic Mini 2. So definitely stay tuned. Anyway guys, I will see you in the next one.